Almajara, a Kerbal Space Program mod, is a mod that will soon come out that I'm doing beta testing for. That's why I'm making this video. It seems as though it will become a very, very good mod. Now we move over to the tracking station to take a look at all these planets. The first star system with planets that we'll find is Ebidoni, which has a number of planets that I will now show. The first planet we have is Danis, which is a personal favourite, as I actually worked on some of the science reports for this. Next, we have its only moon, Aith, a small moon with an unusual shape. Next we have Sahib, a seemingly icy planet that apparently has a small amount of atmosphere. It has a small moon named Kasu, which is also quite icy. The next object out is a strangely shaped asteroid named Alku? Yeah, on to the next object now. Further out, we meet the first gas giant of the mod, Ezrak. It has some interesting colours and a small moon system. Speaking of which, onto the first of them, Zafna, at least that's how I think it's pronounced. Aith, a small-ish moon around on the gas giant, which has liquid water on its surface, and is still quite icy. Maybe don't go there for your next holiday unless you have a warm coat. Now, the next gas giant, Jara, which is very white and very cold. It only has one moon, and that's it. Now we come to Eam, the second strangely shaped moon of this mod, as I'm not counting that asteroid as a moon, of course. And on to Ahma, a very, very tiny, seemingly dwarf planet that is incredibly icy. Oh, and it was once a rogue planet. Now onto the center of the mod, the giant space donut. That's right, this mod. It has a Bosen Star, Sorat. I'm not going to explain what a Bosen Star is, just look it up yourself. It's on the exotic stars list. We also have Koa here, which is a very tiny planet that actually orbits inside of the star itself. Next we have a black hole named Sire, which is supposed to have a very, very blue accretion disk, but as you can see, the Singularity mod completely broke. This is a beta test after all. It should look like this. Now we have the next star system that has planets, Abyad. Who even came up with these names? I can barely pronounce them. Now Abyad is interesting as it looks a lot bigger from far away than it actually is, and it has a planet orbiting incredibly close to it. The planet's name is Vandermeer. Again, what are these names? Now the next world, Kana, which sounds very similar to an earlier one, has a very nice set of rings and its own shepherd moon, Kolbia. Now the next world is a gas giant named Yag. Wow, great name, guys. Oh, its texture is also just the blurred gay male flag. The next one's a very tiny dwarf planet named Kruna. I'm not even going to go over it. Next we have a little world named Borva, I think. And it has some volcanoes on its surface, it seems, which is more interesting than the last one. Now, next we have a bit of an odd one, as it's supposed to be a binary gas giant system, but as you can see, only the planet Edison is here currently. It's missing Tesla, its a rival gas giant. You can probably guess I had a bit of a hand in these existing. Yeah, and that's the Almajara mod. I'm going to leave a link to the creator's Discord server and forum post about the mod in the description. And as always, thank you for watching.